Hey everyone, it's the final day in Pakistan and we're so upset. I've been crying last night, I ain't even gonna lie. I'm just gonna miss everything. The culture, the people, the charity, just everything. Today will be the final time that we go to the opening of a few wells, and I'm just so emotional thinking that I won't be going to the other wells that are gonna be made in the next few months. And I just wanted to say for the millionth time, thank you guys so much, and I hope that we've been able to show you exactly where your donations are going. The biggest project right now that your donations are also going to is the opening of a new orphanage and a rehabilitation center, inshallah, and a school for those in need. So you guys, this is Mamu usually in his daily attire. How sick does he look? We're in the tailors again right now for the final time. It is next level boiling outside, but I'll be missing this heat once I go, I think, right? And now,
put this outside.
Why, Caleb? I want to keep it in my wallet. Hopefully we're gonna go to get some rambele kebab. I know you guys must be thinking, rambele kebab in this weather? Yes. Been dying to try the rambele kebab. What is with you and trying to throw this outside? Just leave it alone.
No. I like kebabs. I do not.
Yeah, Caleb loves kebabs. Caleb's favorite food is kebabs. This is a cinema. Oh wow! They show old movies in the cinema. Guys, this is basically the best kebabs in Pakistan. Wait, let me show you guys how he makes it. These are the rambele kebabs. Oh my goodness. You guys, look at the rambele kebabs. I'm gonna try it.
These are my kebabs.
No, these are kebabs. This one is yours.
So that's
Okay.
give it to me.
I could see why it was hyped up. It isn't even like the other one was leaking with blood and stuff. This is just so stunning. Caleb loves it.
Yeah, I do. I want that piece. I want you to know it. Yeah, it's not.
And they serve it with lassi. Shumle. Delicious. I was using my serum just now on my face and he was like, Mama, can I have some? He uses it with me. Look at him massaging it into his face. Such a cutie. So we're heading to the well right now and look at the state of the area. It's just unreal. It's so upsetting that it's the final well that I'm going to be doing for a while, but I'm so excited, inshallah. Caleb, you came, Mama. They're so excited for the opening of the well, like the whole village kids have come, alhamdulillah. Oh, mashallah.
Alhamdulillah. Oka dua oka.
Amin. He's doing dua for everyone. Amin. Oh.
خاندې مو تاسو نه د پشان دوه زده کوي وګوره دا خو نازک صاحب دی
تاسو خو خوشاله پلاک وای
کې کړم خو پاکوي لکنه
دا مړه والله وخت یې غوښته وخت یې وای مطلق په دې سړي کې
He said the cow keeps shitting. Bye bye. Oh, I love them. I wish I could take them home with me. Oh. They've been running for a few minutes now, and I'm just thinking to myself that this reaction over getting access to clean water is just unreal. So it's the final team meeting. Oh, I'm so upset. Salam alaikum. We're in Maria B right now. That is really gorgeous. Look how stunning the suits look. God damn, they look amazing. Did some shopping. I've picked up some stuff for Nafia, Sumaya and the kids. And inshallah now we are going to have followed that and the best beef tikka
You should go to
Peshawar.
Mali, this is my childhood faluda.
This is your childhood faluda.
Baba used to supply all his sabun here,
Really?
and then whenever he come to collect money, we eat faluda. Guess it's now.
everyone.
Johnny.
This is Mama's childhood faluda. I'm gonna give this a try right now. Okay, let's try it. Hold up.
Jessica below should be
I don't even like faluda. It's so good. Oh my god. So yum. You guys, this is so delicious. It looks very weird, but it's yum. Arsalan, we're going. You better cry. Bish, you better cry. Okay.
Come on, hug me.
Aww. Oh, let me pull your hair a little bit.
KB?
Wow. So after a little crying session,
What's that word?
I'm going to lactose intolerant. I'm going to demolish these Sikhs. They're supposed to be the best Peshawari tikkas. They're based in Ashraf Road. Best tikkas in Peshawar. Ashraf Road. Bra, bra, bra. Should we give it a try? Yeah.
Wow.
Soft.
Cool bachya. Cool makoti.
The
Cool
aroma.
makwa. Cool makwa.
Spice, everything on point.
I'll get you Sprite, okay?
I'm not playing with you guys. I've ate like 6 and it's so light and just textured. Mama, right? Mama's sleeping.
My milk in here is going in my...
She's lactose intolerant, so yeah. You guys, it's the final night in Pakistan. We're going to bed, but inshallah I'll see you guys tomorrow morning when we're heading out to Dubai, inshallah. So we're leaving Pakistan now. Feel so upset that we're going, but inshallah I hope to come very, very, very soon. We're heading out to Dubai now. You okay, my baby? He feels so upset as well. Bye, Rafi. Oh, inshallah, see you very, very soon. Went through immigration and everything else, which was fine. It wasn't too bad. And now we're sitting in the lounge. Now this is the VIP lounge. Let me show you guys. The other lounge, and the only thing that Mama paid to increase it was what, 4,200 rupees?
Yeah.
Which is how many pounds?
20 pounds.
About 20 pounds to sit peacefully and get like quite a few drinks. Okay, so you get this whole bunch of things for free. with £20, by the way. I'm gonna keep saying this. Even a Boots meal, if you get 3, is like £20 for it. And
So
just
by the
like that,
window.
with flying to Dubai, I feel so upset. Do you?
I'm so upset, but inside my heart is sinking. Like,
Mine too.
like you know, I miss all the poor people, and I miss all the needy people, and I want to cry, but I stop myself.
I've cried way too
and I
much.
miss Rafael, Yutaf, and Arsalan. They're like kids to me,
Oh,
and they're
yes,
loveless.
Mama.
And I miss all my team members, Naveed.
Do you know the
Zakir.
truth is, right?
Tahir.
We feel like different people because
We blessed.
alhamdulillah, just we
We
feel
blessed,
different.
and you blessed with us.
Yeah,
Alhamdulillah.
inshallah. It's
Because
such,
each of every step, I do dua for my family and me, my mom and dad, and I did dua for you guys, because without you, we're not gonna do it that much.
I know.
I'm gonna still do it, but in limit. But with you guys help, I did so much this time, and I'm so
subhanallah,
blessed.
so much. Please, please, please join Mama Welfare Organization.
I need loads of members more, because inshallah I'm gonna be working in Bangladesh and India next as well as Pakistan.
We're both crying
ugly.
our eyes out. We wanted to go to Dubai, like in such nice places. We look like shit. But Mama, has come today. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you.
When I die, please join my charity and send me loads of gifts. When I die, and you can donate
Don't cry, you're gonna make me cry even more. Don't cry. Oh my goodness. It's okay, Ma. It's okay, Ma. Inshallah.